Hey, what's up and welcome to another video, guys. Now today we're gonna check out this, the best screwdriver ever. I got this as a gift at Computex from Deepcool, so thank you Deepcool for that. And then I checked it out. I was curious and I opened it out, but what was inside really surprised me. So that's why I'm here making this video for you guys to know why it's called Xiaomi Wowstick. Yes, it's called Wowstick, and it has a reason for that, and it's super cool. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Let's go ahead, open this up and see what's inside.
Let's go.
A dual power screwdriver is because it has batteries. You can put batteries in it and use it electrically or electronically, whatever. So it has two buttons to say clockwise and anti-clockwise, and you can put batteries in there, two AAA batteries in here, and then it will work. And then the other option is to use it just like a normal screwdriver without any battery. So that's why it's called dual power screwdriver. Anyway, let's put some batteries in there and check it out. So I got a couple of AAA batteries here. Unscrew this tiny bit off the back, and then put in this batteries like so. And screw this back in. You can use your thumbnail to do that, and then it works. So I get one off bits from here, put it inside, and we're ready to test it out. My zoom edge to get just like the normal electric screwdriver, and it's magnetized too. Look at that, it's cool. Anyway, put it back in, and then screw it back up. It's done. And on top of that, if you think the motors cannot handle it anymore, you can just put it in there and use your hand to screw. And this will not rotate even when it's not powered. So that's why it's called dual power. So that's it for this video, guys. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I'll see you in the next one.